Welcome to another edition of Sudoku Invariants where I teach you how to solve Sudoku invariants the easy way. Today we're looking at an Isodoku Medium 1. The numbers 1 through 8 are put in every region outlined in gold. Gold, the brighter color. One through 8 is also put in every column going from the right to the left. And in every column going from the left to the right. And in every row. I will look at each region and then choose the one with only one missing number, but I might not find one. Because this is a medium level, I expect to have at least 2 empty cells, if not 3. Let's look at the top region. The easy way is to simply count to find out what numbers are missing. 1, 2 is missing. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. Using cross-hatching, I then look to see if I can find a 2, 3, or an 8 in the CR2 or CR4 columns. I do not see a 2, 3, or an 8. Looking at CL1 and CL2, L2, I also do not see a 2, 3, or an 8. Sometimes we do not get lucky. So let's move on to another spot, CR1. Counting, I have 1, 2 is missing, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7, 8. So I need to put in the 2, 3, and 6. We are in luck, folks. I see a 2 and a 6 in row 2. Okay, this means that I can put the 3 here. Per usual, we cannot duplicate any number in any row, column, or region. Looking at R3 and R4, I spot a 3 in R3, so I know I can put the 6 here and see in column right 1 and row 3. And I am a fool because we need to put in the 2 and the 6. I did not find a 2 or a 6 in either row, so this 6 can not go here yet. See, even I can be silly. Looking at two. I decided to put in the pencil marks. Marks 2, 6 and the 2, 3, 8. Looking at are 2. We need the 1, 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing. So 1, 7, and 8 needs to be put in, and column left 1 has both the 1 and the 7. I can put the 8 here. Now let's look at CL3. Okay, looking at CL3, and we are still on row 2 as well. Well, I need to find a 1 or a 7. I do find the 7, which means that the 1 goes in this first cell and the 7 goes in the other cell. Next, CL3. Counting, 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7, 8 is missing. So 3, 6, 8 are what we need. Looking at column right 2, I spy a 6. This means that I can only put a 3 or an 8 here. Looking at the right row 4 and the region it is nearest, I spy a 3, meaning that in that box at the end of column left 3, I can only put in a 6 or an 8. Let's put in our pencil marks. Notice that the other empty cell can take all 3 numbers. Looking at our right row 1 and 2, that region specifically, I see we are missing the 1 and the 3. Because column left 2 has the 1, I must put the 3 here instead. This leaves the 1 for the other cell. Now looking at the rest of right row 1, I need a 5 and a 7. Now looking at this at column right 2, I do not see a 5 or a 7. Looking at column L4, column left 4, I do see a 5. This means I can put the 7 here. And the 5 goes in the other empty cell. A precursory look says I cannot put in the 3, 6, or 8 or the 2, but looking at the top region again, we did put in an 8, meaning that our pencil marks can be fixed. Because we cannot put another 8 in the same column, I put in the 8 in column left 2. I can now go to CL column left 3 and remove the 8 from that pencil mark. Now the top cell at column left 3 and column right 2 does have a 3 and an 8. This means I cannot tell where the 8 goes yet. So let's look at the region with column left 3 and column left 4. Now we need a 3 and an 8 in this region, but where do you see a 3? Column left 4 contains a 3, which means we must put the 8 here. The 3 then goes in column left 3, and the 3, 6 becomes the 6, and the 6, 8 becomes the 8. Now looking at column left 1, we still have the 2, 3 pairs. These pairs are technically called the naked pair because no other numbers can also be in those cells. But solving the easy way, means we do not need to remember this if we do not want to. I can simply look at column right 2 and look for a 3. I see one. At column left 3's intersection. This means that we cannot have a 3 in column left 1. At column right 2. I put in the 2 and the 3 and look at the only missing number in column left 1 and put in the 6. Simply counting the numbers in order gives you the 6. Because we have the 6 in row 3, we can then put in the 2 in row 3 at column right 1. Now looking at this region, CR1 and CR2 region at the bottom, we need a 1 and a 7. I will look at row 4 and find a 1. I can't put a 1 in row 4 because it already has a 1. So I put the 1 in row 3 instead and put the 7 in row 4. Okay, looking at column right 4, I need a 2 and a 4. Row 3 has the 2, so I put the 4 in row 3. And I put the 2 in column left 4 at column right 4. And I can put the 2 in row 4 at column left 2. This is because I am missing a 2 in column left 2. Column left 2 and only have the 2 and the 7 missing. And I put the 7 in column 2 at right row 3. Now, looking at column left 4, I see I need a 1 and a 4. I can't put a 1 where a 1 exists, so I put the 4 in this last cell. And then put the 1 in the other cell. Moving to column right 3, I need a 3 and an 8. I see a 3 in row 3. This means I must put the 8 here instead. And the 3 goes below. Now looking real quick here, I see we have solved this Isodoku at the medium level. Congratulations. You did it. Thank you for solving this one with me. Please like, subscribe, and share. I hugely appreciate it. Thanks again and have a wonderful day. Bye.